Hi everyone! Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today we're making Moo Goo Gai Pian. The name of this dish literally means mushroom and chicken. Because it's so easy and delicious, it becomes one of the staple recipes in my family. So let's get started.
Chicken breast is probably what most people would choose for this recipe. In China, bone-in chicken thigh is also popular for stir-fries because we believe it is more flavorful with bones. This piece is pretty big, almost 1 pound. We just need to slice it into 1/8 of an inch thick pieces. Marinate it with half teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Sprinkle it here and there. It will help to tenderize the meat. Last, a drizzle of sesame oil. Start mixing it. Make sure every piece of the meat is packed with flavors. Put on the lid and let it sit for 20 minutes. Slice some mushroom into a quarter of an inch thick pieces. You can use white button mushroom or shiitake. I just have both of them in my fridge, so I use both. Besides these, you can definitely try other kinds, such as oyster mushroom, beach mushrooms. I will also pick a couple of vegetables with different colors, so the dish will look prettier. For snow peas, be sure to grab the tip and pull out the tough string that runs along its side. It will give you a much better experience when eating. Let me take a little time to show you how to cut the carrots into the flower shape. It's optional, but it's just neat. Use the length of your blade to carefully cut the carrot at a 45 degrees angle along with the carrot. Then again on the opposite side to complete the V-shaped groove. Don't make the grooves too deep or the flower petals will look too square. Start small and you can always make the groove deeper if you need it. I only did 4 grooves in total because I feel like this carrot is a little small. You can do 5 or 6 if you want. Slice it into thin pieces. Turn the heat to high. We will wait until the wok is smoking hot and then add the cooking oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons. This is called 热锅凉油, which means hot wok with cold oil. It's a simple trick to prevent the food from sticking onto the carbon steel wok. Toss the oil around and wait for it to be smoking as well. Then add the marinated chicken. The wok is so hot, you can quickly cook the chicken within a couple of minutes. Do not stir the chicken for too long, otherwise the meat will come out a bit dry. Once most of the chicken is changed color, you can remove the wok from the stove. Because I'm using an electric stove, even if I turn off the heat, it takes a while for the temperature to go down. If you don't move the wok, you are risking overcooking the chicken. Tilt the wok when you take the chicken out so the oil can run to the side. Look, we got plenty of oil left in the wok. If you don't have enough, you can add a little more. We will use that to cook the carrot because it takes longer to get soft. You just stir it until it reaches the doneness that you like. Then add in the minced garlic along with the mushroom slices and snow peas. I am using medium heat here because I don't want to burn the garlic. Mushroom is kind of like a sponge. It will absorb the moisture and the oil. If you see the wok is dry like that at the bottom, you can add a splash of water. The steam will cook the mushroom really fast. Once everything becomes a bit soft, you can start adding the seasonings. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix well. Give it a taste to see if you need to adjust the flavor. Mine is good. Introduce the chicken back into the wok. Stir well and you are done. I got lots of people asking me, why don't you use MSG in your recipes? Just to be clear, it has nothing to do with the safety issue. MSG is a sodium salt of amino acid. It naturally exists in many foods that we are eating every day, such as meat, fish, shrimp, cheese, soy sauce, oyster sauce, mushroom, eggs. As long as you know how to cook your food and maximize the free glutamate level, you do not need to add extra MSG to your dish. In this recipe, mushroom is already high in glutamate. I didn't use that many seasonings, just soy sauce and oyster sauce mainly, which also contain MSG. That is why this simple dish is packed with umami flavors.
I hope you give this a try soon. If you did, leave me a comment, let me know how it goes. As always, you can click the link in the description and find the printable recipe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!